All right, so we're gonna cover the ceiling fan. I got some 12-foot masking plastic. I want to pull a piece that's gonna be too large. I want a couple feet at least on each side bigger, so it's probably like a 7-foot length. Cut it here carefully so we don't cut our fingers. How would you cover this fan? You could tell me trash bags are not big enough. I like doing stuff efficiently. This giant piece of plastic. So this is going to be oversized. So it's not going to be a problem. I'm just going to start. Corner here. I'm going to tack it down like about 1.5 foot away from the fan. Corner here. Up the same distance over here. I'm going to put a couple more pieces here to help it from not falling off on the backside. We'll get a better view here in a second. The other side. Now we're just going to tuck it. You want to go to the furthest point of lighting to make sure. Tack it up, try to keep it tight. On the base of the fan. Kind of focusing on like each blade individually. You want to kind of keep it tight so it's not hanging down like crazy. Have it tacked up now. Bunch it up. Put it up in here. Tack it down. Something short, like this. Wrap it up. Come back to the other side. Pull these off hopefully easily and tighten this whole thing up here. Trying to get to that base of the fan. Possible. We're not spraying the ceiling or anything. We're just trying to lightly protect it from everything. Trying to make sure I wrap up the blades decently. I have a whole bunch of extra here still from the other side. If I have any areas that might be open. Open this up a little more here. Tack it down here and there. A little bit tighter here. Make sure it doesn't explode. All right, that should be enough. Tell me what kind of job you think I did on covering the fan.